Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Isaiah Sarah here, and for today's video, I just want to say hi. Hi! I'm just kidding. No, I just want to say hi and update you guys because I haven't been posting. It's not like someone's waiting for my post, but you know, I have 100+ subscribers and those are still people who subscribe, so sorry for not posting anything. Starting this year, 2018, I was planning to like post every week and I have all my video ideas ready, but life happens and distractions, and you know, I also work, so in short, I got lazy. I don't want to be lazy anymore, and I also bought this new camera. This is my own camera now. I have this Canon EOS M3, so I need to use it. Anyway, yeah, I just want to update you guys. What's up? Like, how are you guys? Well, me, I'm good. I just want to let you guys know that I have lots I have lots of video ideas. I've been planning to make this Praise and Worship cover Safe by Victory Worship, Build My Life, Ever Be, Into the Deep. There's a lot of wonderful songs that I want to cover, but I'm too lazy. So pray for me guys so that I can make those covers for you. I also have lots of my series Let Us Talk. I have lots of topics. I have about Moses, I have about sacrifices, 10 commandments. It's all in my notebook here where I plan all my videos. But again, life is not easy, but this is one of the things that I really want to do this year, so might as well just do it, right? I also have this video idea, the things that I got from Christmas. I know it's late, but I don't care because I got lots of wonderful things from last year, so I'm just so excited to share that again. And yeah, anyway, for today's video, it's gonna be a little bit weird. I want to make this a series in my channel, so this is gonna be my episode 1. It's me trying to cook. So for today's video, I will be cooking eggs. I'll make tuna miso soup, so we'll have that for dinner. I'll make rice and I'll feed my sister. Today we went out and buy some grocery, and we were like adults. We bought rice, we bought eggs. Yeah, we're big girls because right now the mom in the house, which is my sister Hannah, she's in the Philippines right now with her family, so it's just me and my younger sister Micah. And anyway, that's for today's video, so go ahead and watch me cook or watch me nearly. Let us cook. First, let's make rice. While I'm cooking, I'm watching Shane Dawson. It's what we call multitasking. Okay, while that's cooking, let us prepare our food. So, the ingredients we need are 1 can of tuna and instant miso soup. Yesterday, I cooked 3. Since my sister is gonna eat with me, I'll cook 4. Oh! Oh no! Let's clean that up. So 1 egg just cracked. So, we need eggs, tomato, onion. This is the one that I used last night. Chopping board. Be careful, kids. Don't try this at home. So that's how it looks like. And let's see how it goes later. I think it's too early to prepare since we're still waiting for the rice to cook. While waiting, I'll just watch Shane Dawson first.
A few moments later.
Okay, I just finished watching Shane Dawson's video. I hope our rice will be cooked soon, but I'll get started cooking our food for tonight. So maybe we'll start off with the eggs. I will just put the egg aside, and it's time to chop our tomato first. I'll just wash this. It's been washed. Just so you know, I don't know anything about cooking, so if you see me doing it wrong, you've been warned. Okay. Now we have this. I'll put this aside as well. So, what we're gonna do next is to put our onion in this thing here. But we have to peel it off and cut it. Since our chopping board is pretty full and you see the mess, I'm just gonna cut it here. Don't try this at home. Trying, guys. I'm trying my best here. That's how you chop an onion. Wow, thank you. Alrighty, so I'm gonna use this one here. Let's heat it up like that. So just put this. Ooh. Okay, let's wait for that. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna heat up water. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna warm that up for our miso soup. So now we're done with the eggs, we'll go and do our tuna. I'm gonna open our can of tuna now. Opening. And then next, I just need to cut the other half of my tomato and put it with my tuna. This is my special ingredient. Maggi. Focus naman. Hello, ganito ba? Ayaw mag-focus. Just gonna add like that much and mix it. I'll just put that in a bowl and I'll prepare our salad. We have our Caesar salad here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in this thing here. All done! I did it! So, dito ko lalagay kanin ka, okay? Ready ka na kumain, Micah? Itadakimasu! Okay, guys. I just finished eating. Actually, kanina pa. But it was a success. So, I'm thinking of doing this every month. Next month, a different recipe. It doesn't have to be unique. I just need to cook at least once a month. Anyway, that's it, Pansit. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed cooking. My sister enjoyed my cooking as well. Nice catching up with you guys. So, take care and God bless. Bye-bye. I'm so sleepy. Look at this face.